ctools is a useful utility to allow you to handle CPM files on D64 or D71 disk images. So it allows you to transfer files to and from those images, and this is great when you're using an emulator such as Vice to emulate the Commodore 128. So to get to build ctools, because it's not normally in most distributions, we need to get the source code from the GitHub site that's hosting a copy of it. We'll get that with wget, and then we'll unzip the files, and there we are. And then it's nice and easy to build. Just go into the ctools master directory and go into the source directory of that and type make. And if I take make install, it'll copy those files into the bin directory, and then we can just copy those files from there to maybe our own user's bin directory. So out of the executables we can see there, the two that we'll use most are cformat and ctools. So cformat is for creating a disk image, which we can do like this. So we can do cformat -2. -2 indicates that it's a double-sided Commodore 128 disk image, and we'll call the file work.d71. And there we are, created it really quickly. And then if we want to put some files on there, we use the ctools command, and we specify the disk image work.d71, and then we want to put on there all the com files and all the text files. And there we are, so let's put those on there, and we can see that they're on the disk image by doing a directory. And there we are, 4 files transferred as above. If we want to get the files off of that disk image now, we can use that using the G subcommand of ctools. So first of all, I'll delete the text files and delete the com files as well. So we just have our work.d71 disk image, and then I use ctools get, and we can do star in this case because we want all the files. And if we do this, there they are. Now that we have the files on the work.d71 disk image, I'm going to switch to Vice and show how Vice can use those files under an emulated Commodore 128 running CPM. We can now see the Vice emulator emulating a Commodore 128 running CPM3. So if I attach the disk image that we made, so work.d71, and then I'll have a look at the D drive. And there we are, there are our files. So we can type usq120.txt, and that should list. Okay, so as you can see, this file has been stored in a Unix format, hence the reason it's all over the place, because of the different line endings. Let's try a different file. Okay, so this has the correct line endings for this file. And I run one of the commands that we transferred across, nulu, and we can hear that it's loading off of that disk. Vice provides not just disk emulation, but tries to emulate the sounds as well, which is a nice little touch. And there we are. We can see that Nulu is working fine. Good. And that's it. So as you can see, ctools is pretty easy to use. It's unfortunate it's not included with any distributions as far as I know, but it's easy to download and easy to build and set up once you've got it. So hopefully you find this useful. Do subscribe to the Tech Tinkering YouTube channel and have a look at the accompanying article on the Tech Tinkering website.